Now, once someone does make the shift to solar, I mean, realistically, how much lower, how much money can they expect to save?
Well, so there's a couple ways to look at this, but the big one I think is offset, right? So you have a power bill, and some people are lucky enough they only pay, they don't use much power. Maybe they have gas too, so $200 a month on average, right? Some people pay $400, $500, $600, even $1,000 power bills we've seen. Depending on how much power you use, we put as many panels on the roof that make sense for the system. It has to face either southeast or west, typically, has to be unshaded. But a lot of the homes around the DC area, we can put quite a few panels. On average, we typically eliminate probably half your power bill. But in some cases, especially in the summer months when we have those long summer days, we can offset 100% of your Pepco bill or your power bill, BG, whoever you have. And that's really cool. People will sometimes get a bill, even sometimes in the spring or early fall, for as little as $10 or $15.